How to transfer your DLS account to another phone. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your DLS. Now at the top left corner, tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Again at the bottom right corner, tap on advanced settings. Now go to manage devices and tap on generate code. Now go back. Now open up DLS into another device and tap on link profile. Now in another device, paste the code and tap on link profile to transfer your DLS account. So by following these simple steps, you can transfer your DLS account to another device. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.